Take your cotton fabric, wash it and dry it. Now I have added some flowers, petals, marigold, and dipped in the iron mordant to make it look much more darker. I had a little help from my little sister. I added the leaves of the hemp plant. I also added the leaves of the walnut tree plus the chestnut trees. Spreaded them to the half area and then folded it, and then fold it once again till you make it smaller, and fold it very tightly and tie it with a thread around it really tight, and then put it for the steam and let it steam for an hour or 2 hours. So at the end of the steam, I washed the fabric and then dried it.